beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me
Maradyong buntag sa inyong tanan. Ako si Dwayne. Ug kauban nako ang akong diwatang asawa. Si Shanta.
Oh, ang birthday boy na si.
Birthday ni Chance karon. So muat mi karon sa mga isla diri sa Siargao Island. Nindota oy. Muat ta sa Naked Island na kung saan nakatira daw ng lahat ng nakahubad. Guyam Island. Tapos Daku Island.
Nakugtiyan mo rag ako.
Murag butete. Shanta and I is here. Let's go. Tara na. This tour today is being organized by Siargao Island Getaway. Okay, they're a travel agency here in Siargao Island. They take you anywhere you want to go. They can do custom quotes for you, custom tours. So this is the tour agency we're going with today. Sud na ta. Salamat kaayo. Pwede mo sakay sa likod?
Pwede po, sir.
Pwede po? Ayan. Sa likod na lang ko. It's more fun in the Philippines. Hinda tayo. Chance, let's go, brother! Woo! Tara na. Unsay tara na sa Siargao nun? Oh, English kanina.
Taya na.
Taya na. Alright, we are here on the shores of the ocean to go island hopping. We're going to the market. Alright, we're going to go buy some food first so we have food to eat when we're over there. So we're going to go buy all our ingredients and then we're going to head over to the islands and that's where they're going to cook it for us. So we're going to buy pork adobo. Shanta, excited ka ba?
Excited na akong umitem.
Hey Jade, unsay atong unang adtuhan ba?
Naked Island, sir.
Unsa?
Naked Island.
Naked? Nindot. Maghubad na tayo. Chance saved my drone. He's a legend.
And it's his birthday.
Tell the dad.
I got it on film too, Chance, you catching the drone, like the drone was recording the whole time.
Battle scars, bro.
We made it to Naked Island. Time to get naked. Caesar Montana style. Wow. Woohoo! Naked Island, it's this random block of sand out in the middle of nowhere, just off Siargao Island. It is frigging amazing. Oh, look at the color of the water. Damn. Shanta. Devil. Oh, Shanta, model! Oh, mag-model ka lang dyan. Ayan.
Daku niyo yung tabak.
Next stop, Daku Island. Daku kaayo. Daku in Bisaya means big. So we're going to Big Island. And then we're gonna go to an island called Guyam Island, which comes from the word gamay, meaning small. So we're going to the big island and then the small island.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the
Shanta, Daku Island. Daku kayong isla. Ganda dito. So blue. The water here is literally like blue Gatorade. Oh,
It's like Blossom Falls, eh?
Shanta,
Sexy libre.
libre di ay ka Shanta.
Dili ko libre mo
Libre
uli
si
na
Shanta.
Hello.
Hello. This is awesome. Where do you get the corn from?
From Siargao.
Oh, from Siargao?
Yeah.
So, are you from Siargao?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah, cool. So, what language do they speak in Siargao?
Gaon.
Jao.
Yeah. Naa. Sa Bisaya.
Yeah.
Naa.
Yeah. Because, yeah, I love corn, man. I think I'll buy, like, how much is it per? 50 is one piece?
No. 5.
Ah, 5 pieces. So, basta
pieces.
magbayad ko og 50 pesos sa kanitanan sa ako na niya.
Oo.
Sa ako na. Maayo kaayo. Sige, sige. Mapalit ko og kuan. O sige, kuan. O sige.
Putos.
Nga nani.
Sige,
Sige,
putos.
sige. Pwede kaayo. Kuya.
Wala mo sa akong Bisaya. Taga sa sir.
Taga Australia. Pero dugay na ko diri. Na ako'y nakatunan sa imo karon kanang jaon. Jaon na.
Ako gani sa Cebu, 2 years ako dito sa SRP. Taging ako nila na mura ko na bata misulti. Okay. Di ko pa bibi oh.
Or pa bebe.
Oo, wala.
Pa bebe di ay mga Siargaonon.
Kung sa Cebuano, kung sa ingon pa na ni Panaw, sa Surigao nun, kanang nilakaw. Ako amo gani kung sa Cebu kataglangan ko na ako na akong kuya man nilakaw man. Kataglangan ako ni Panaw. Natingon ako, ha, nakita pa gani mi. Nakita pa gani mi tapos ko man ni Panaw na. Lang ano na nilakaw. Nilakaw di ay. Sorry.
Yeah. Pork adobo na siya. All right. So this is all, everything we're doing here is all part of the package at Siargao Island Getaway. Oh, I should let you go first, Chance. You're the birthday boy.
No, go ahead,
Go,
man.
man.
Doesn't
It's your
matter.
birthday, bro.
Food's food.
Maghab-hab na ta.
So good. Shut up.
Oh, yeah.
Remind you how wonderful you are. And I really wanna take you home to mama. Wanna spend
Bakit siya ang
forever.
Daku Island? Kay Daku kayo siya. I love all these palm trees. These palm trees are just heaven. Marajaw, karajaw. Now, let's see what Daku Island looks like from the sky. We got Chance and his drone.
Yeah.
Shanta is gonna hold it.
Sige.
Katap.
Okay lang.
You can do it, Shanta.
Oh my gosh.
You can do it.
Ayan.
Sige na. Halaka. Halaka.
I'll be closer than your shadows, closer than you know. If you let me love you. Love you. Love you. Love you.
Guyam Island, yeah! Right there, ladies and gents, that is Gamay Island. Party tayo doon. Look at this place. Shanta! Magandang araw po sa inyo. Taga saan ba kayo?
Sa Mindoro.
Ah, Mindoro.
Palawan.
Ah, talaga?
Sa picture.
May Duwanta fan dito sa Gamay Island. Yeah, Shanta, you're on Gamay Island na.
Island na ako ni. Oh my gosh.
Bagay sa'yo. Ang mga isla diri, Instagrammable kaayo. Shanta, mag-picture sa tabi. Yeah. Yes!
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Yeah! Nindot kayo dili sa Guyam Island, oy.
Sige na.
Napay swing. Kanindot, ay.
You're beautiful, shine like a star.
Hey Dwanta fam, it's shoutout time. So una sa lahat, i-shoutout ko po si Vince Andre Cruz. He asked for a shoutout sa next video. Ito na ang shoutout mo, Vince. Salamat po. Second is Vince B. Baruel. Vince Baruel, nakita kami sa MRT. Humingi din siya ng shoutout. Salamat Vince sa panonood. Next up is Blanca Daes. Blanca Daes, maraming salamat sa pag-order ng Dwanta merch. Remember, you can get your Dwanta merch at www.dwantamerch.com. Next up, we have Echo Espejon. Salamat po, Echo Espejon, sa suporta. And last of all, we have Grace Sarte Closa. Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Abangan niyo po ang sunod na video namin bukas dito sa channel ng Dwanta. Bye-bye!